We will add hibernation option in the control panel, and on the power button. First, click the Start button, and type in CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type in power cfg/hibernate on, and press Enter. Type in power cfg/h/typeful, and press Enter. Go to Start, and press Settings. Go to System, Power and Sleep. Additional power settings. On the left, click Choose what the power button does. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Check Hibernate, and save changes. Now you will get the Hibernate button. All done. Please subscribe.